Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas tax and lawman. Let's continue our discussion of estate planning. So far, we have discussed the big building blocks of estate planning like wills, living trust, and irrevocable trust. We've also discussed powers of attorneys, medical power of attorneys, physicians' directives, and designations of guardians. If you missed those videos, check out our Texas Tax and Lawman channel on YouTube. Today, let's discuss a powerful but often overlooked estate planning tool, the Beneficiary Designation. If you ever bought life insurance, an annuity, or an IRA, you have probably encountered a beneficiary designation. It's the part of the form that says who the bank, brokerage, or insurance company pays if you die. That form seems innocent enough, but in reality, it can totally countermand and undercut all the other planning that you've done if you do not review them carefully. Imagine you go to the lawyer and write out this fabulous will that directs your life insurance to your mother, your 401k to your brother, and your bank account to your little sister. Then, God forbid it, you leave the planet. Your family gets together and your brother, who is named as the executor, goes to the court to probate your estate and then contacts your life insurance company, the 401k custodian, and your banker, and then discovers that on each account you had a beneficiary designation with different instructions than your will. What happens? Well, legally, each of those companies signed an agreement with you to pay according to your designation. If you named your old college buddy as beneficiary of your life insurance, the insurance company is legally bound to follow your instructions and pay your old college buddy. Believe it or not, you forget to change the beneficiary on your 401k, and it names your dad who you haven't seen in 5 years. And to make matters worse, your bank account had a beneficiary designation made payable to one of your old girlfriends. Man, oh man, do you have a problem? If only one of those things were off, maybe you could get everyone to agree to the right answer. But in this fact pattern, there's no way your old college buddy, deadbeat dad, or the latest love are going to give up their legal right to receive the property from these companies. No matter how hard your brother sues as executor of this estate, these other people have better legal title, and your mom, your brother, and your sister wind up getting nothing. Because the contractual agreement, the beneficiary designation you signed with each of these financial institutions controls the disposition of your assets. Now, that was the worst case scenario. We could have flipped it around the other way. Imagine all you own is a life insurance policy, a 401k, and a bank account. You could have named your sister as the beneficiary on the life policy, your mom as the beneficiary on the 401k, and your brother as the beneficiary on your bank account. When you die, all your family would have had to do is present your death certificate and their ID to these respective entities, and they would receive a check. In fact, for many young people or those with simple assets, good beneficiary designations may accomplish their whole estate plan. Long story short, make sure to review your beneficiary designations on all your accounts as part of your estate planning process. Otherwise, you may outsmart yourself like the old man playing chess in the classic Pixar video clip. Until next time, adios. Texas Tax and Lawman Legal Disclaimer. Hey, I'm a lawyer. You know I have to have some lawyer mumbo jumbo. This is a general information video, not client attorney privilege information. The content is information only and is not directed to any specific facts or circumstances and cannot be relied upon as a legal opinion, even though that would be nice and save you a trip to the lawyer. If you have a specific legal question, feel free to contact David Groce directly or seek qualified legal or tax counsel in your state of residence, state of mind, or whatever place you call home.